loved by his constituents. As a politician, not everybody can like you. All of us. But so long as the majority are with you and you're serving your constituency fully, because Were served every part of his constituency without discrimination. And Were was not elected by fluke. No, Were was elected 2017 to 2022. Come 2022, Were had over 42,000 votes. His nearest competitor had 5,000 votes. That is a man you want to tell us was ruling by terror. And I want to say it here. The disinformation that has flooded social media, it is not by coincidence. It is well orchestrated, it is well mobilized, it is well funded, it is well run, and the idea is to cover up the murder of Were. That is the truth of the matter. I also want to say that times that we cannot count, Were reported that his life was in danger. He reported here. I know that he even wrote to the Inspector General of Police. And I want the IG of Police to tell us, when Were reported all these issues, what did he do about it? 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 We will not take it lying down. It will not happen. We have counted one too many. But this is now a wrong number. Were had his people. The way Were was killed is like a chicken. He was humiliated. Like a thief. And Were never stole anybody's thing. Were lived in order. His family was orderly. He never stole from anybody. He made his own things. But he was killed like a chicken. I can tell you that IG of Police, you're not going to rest. We are not going to rest. No, and we don't want cover-ups. We don't want stories. We don't want cover-ups. We want to know the truth. Number one truth, what did you do about all the reports that Were made? That's number one. Number two, who killed Were? And why? And for what? That we want to know. And not in a far future, in the near future. And I can tell you, we have said we are working together, but we did not sign up to assassination of our members. We did not sign up to assassination of our members. That we did not sign up to. So if somebody else killed Were, tell us who. Tell us. As the national chairman of the ODM party, I also want to make it very clear that this Homa Bay County and this entire region is an ODM zone. It is an ODM zone.